Okay. Good morning. Right, let me put this on over here. Good morning. Wow, look at GJ. Holy shit. Beautiful. Some big ass volume. If you take a look at the monthly already, the weekly already, shit. Big rejection wick. Wow, we've flown. So let's look at the monthly as well. Yeah, so monthly's already started. Can you see the last candle over here? Damn. It was doji. Very interesting. So in total, it went like, how far did it go? Nearly 2,000 pips. 2,000 pips and closed.
Morning, everyone. Morning, mates.
Morning. So yeah, looking pretty bullish already, man. Some big volume already, which is good. Current 30-minute, 170 pips. Oh my god. Okay, so daily time frame. Looks like we've got a bit of a gap over here. See if you have a wonder. I'll use a wonder. So daily time frame. It's actually, if you take a look at the daily, if you look at support and resistance, this was the support. The last daily candle closed back above it, so we should fill this zone, which is what it's done. So if we go to the daily, yeah, the daily's bullish. It's broken the high of the previous. Quite good price action on the daily there. Let me just put this on. Okay, beautiful. 4-hour time frame. It's broken the highs of the previous zone. In fact, the whole zone. And we're continuing. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Take a look towards the left. Yeah, we're coming towards the little resistance and supports right now. It's kind of blasted off this hourly. Take a look at the 30-minute, the 15. See if there's any entries. I mean, there's a big support holding at this level, let's say here, which is rather nice. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I would say it's quite hard, to be honest with you. The 15 minutes had no lower wicks. Look at that. Only lower wick was there. So this is clearly a level of resistance before, but we've closed above it and we've made the low wick and we've flipped. So that's pretty good. How much are the stops there? 21 pips. That's not too bad. Not too bad. And take a look at the 30-minute as well. Yeah, I'm trying to think of where my support would be. Probably down there, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, we've came above 162 now. We've blasted off. Take a look to the left-hand side. See what zones we have. So here, this is the next support / resistance. Second, I think it could be a bit lower over here. Might actually be there. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, interesting. Okay, this is the 30-minute support. So yeah, I mean, huge volume right now. That's a big fucking 30-minute candle. My god, look at this. The pound is retracing. There was on 15. This one here, Tom. You got on that one or the other one? I think that's a good one. Got 15 pips on the 15 flip. Runner kicked out, then rocket. Ah, that's a shame. Did it come back to entry? Ah, it did. That's a shame. Tom, did you not run or not get out here? Still got 25 pips, to be fair. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look at the 4-hour now. It's a little bit hard because it's coming towards support here. You can see pretty clearly, which is at 163. To be honest with you, in this area, it looks a little bit sus, to be honest, in terms of where I want to take a trade. So we may have to see. 164,400 is looking good too. But yeah, I think the main thing is I need a closure above 162,870. I think. Look at that, it closes right on it there. Interesting. So kind of need buys above. $162,870. Beautiful. I wonder what's making this push so hard this morning. Is there any news that just came out? Let me just
CPI for Swiss franc.
Is that the only thing?
Yeah, well, just on the calendar, but you never know about a news headline or something.
Yeah.
The pound just hit an all-time low
There's not anything right now, is there? Interesting. Scrapping tax, 45p. Wait, what? In terms of news today as well, that's not too bad. Just manufacturing PMI all day, pretty much is fine. Wait, there's a scrapping tax? Okay, interesting. So yeah, I mean, 870 looks like the zone that I kind of want on the 30. 30 just closed right on it. Yeah, big candles though. Damn. Russia's retreating? Question mark. Oh, I have no idea. So yeah, we'll do gold as well. So gold was a beautiful 5 minute. Well done for people who took it. Where was it actually? Was it on this one?
Yeah, but it didn't retest the trend line.
No, there's one down here that people got, but I don't know.
Yeah, it was more a retest on structure. That's what I had to look at.
Is that there?
Yeah, and then you can see the structured retested. It looks good on the 3 minute.
Yeah.
You didn't take it, Brian?
No, I missed. I was making flipping coffee again. Stop making coffees early.
Yeah, you should stop making coffees early.
Yeah.
I'm up 2 positions, 40 pips each.
Nice.
And that burst just went out.
Yeah, fucking launched.
Yeah, and then now it's on another trend line that I have, but it's exactly on the hourly, so I'm not gonna touch it.
Yeah. So, for gold, no bottom wick, so it's just pushed straight away. Looks like Asian session was... Yeah, Asian session pushed quite a lot as well. Wow, okay. So 4 hour time frame, the gold is bullish too. I'd say the 4 hour time frame doesn't look the cleanest, to be honest with you. So it looks a little bit sus. The hourly time frame, yeah, you can see that realistically there. I mean, actually it's not too bad, to be honest. These are the areas you want to take advantage of there. So yeah, it's already pushed up quite a lot, but there's still a lot to 1672, which is good. So take a look at the 30 minute and the 15. Trying to think this zone above. Yeah, it's still not actually that bad. I have to see, because I think we could definitely still come to 1673 today. Pretty easily. So yeah, I mean, we'll have to wait for entries, maybe above 1668. That's probably what I'm going to have to look for. See if there's any trend lines that I want to take. Ah, yes, one more now. Interesting.
Yeah. That's the next one I'm waiting for, because now we've pushed above, but we don't have a bottom wick on the hourly yet.
Yeah.
So if we push down, retest the trend line, and then come up again.
Yeah.
So I'll wait for a rejection on the trend line.
Yeah, makes sense. Beautiful. Beautiful. For sells, yeah, I don't like sells in gold. This zone's shit. Yeah, let me just this is obviously minor resistance, and I think if you do come above there, we're pretty good to drive in it. These are pretty clean. This is a little bit choppy, but I think for the most part it's actually still pretty clean all the way up to 1673. So that zone itself is 42 pips. Beautiful. Good morning, YouTube. Sorry, mate. I'm ill as fuck. Oh my god. Caught EJ buys. Oh, very nice. Take like the 15. Oh, that was quite a nice down here. The 5s. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of volume today. Did you say there's a lot of bad news today? Let's take a look at FX. But you can calm down. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's a global manufacturing PMIs all day. All day. Interesting. Yeah, one of my mates is speaking to me in the week, and he goes, "Oh, how's trading going? You know, how's work going?" And he goes, "On the charts, like fucking ridiculous right now." I go, "Yes, Yes. A 10 pip is a fucking minuscule right now. He's like, shit, man. So much volume. Beautiful. Yeah, I think it's gonna be not too bad, to be honest with you, with this closure above, and the Goldie too. Really need to make this Goldie make a lower wick, to be honest with you. And then we should be good.
Might get the bottom wick now.
Yep. Ten pips is joke with these volume. Yep. Oh yes. So yeah, gold is making the low wick of the hourly. 30 and 15. To see how it reacts. If it comes further down, that's not too bad as well. Is that a little OB?
Yeah, you don't want to play in the middle of a range.
Touche. Oh yeah, it was this one here that Ninja had. That was nice.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. There's a massive candle though. Fuck. Is that 150 minute as well? Yeah, that's a huge candle. How's GU actually? Is GU, am I in profit now? Does Vincent owe me a lot of money? Yes! Look at that.
Yeah, just hold on. Just buckle up.
Look at that rocket. Look how far down it went.
That's fair.
Go retracing a little bit.
Did it go down 1.5 million pips?
It went down 800 pips. 800. Anyone try and get this wick fill? I was thinking, but she just stops on too safe. You could look under 3 minute. That looked a little bit nicer. Nah. That looked a little bit sus. Oh my god, the football this week, Brian, you missed out.
I missed out on football, mate. Wasn't good at least.
Oh man, this fucking guy is just hat trick after hat trick after hat trick, pretty much every game.
That's our play sports boy.
Yeah, the Holland guy is a fucking tank in the front.
Yeah. Oh yes. Proper good. A bit too good. Okay, gold makes the lower wick now. Interesting. Once you stops at 23 pips, not even that bad. Not even that bad. Roger took the GJ buys. Yeah. I think for me the only GJ buy that made sense is to break this high there. Yeah, that was you. Do you want to think?
Morning, guys. What are you saying on gold? You waiting for that to
Yeah, to be honest with you, it's done the move that I kind of wanted down here. So I'm just gonna wait for this hourly to be the low wick first, and then maybe if you start closing back above, maybe take the buys, or just wait for a 30-minute closure above 1668 or a 15 closure above there. Yeah, boy. Because above there is actually pretty clean as well, to be honest.
Is that trend line on top invalid now? 'Cause I did take it, and then I realised that the hour was closing. So
yeah. This is not.
I went BE and obviously got stopped.
Yeah, beautiful. How much did you get up by there? Just got 16 pips. Sorry, not 16, 12 pips or so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Just about 10 with my spreads.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, good stuff though. Good for being.
But yeah, I got the one at the below as well.
Yeah,
I got that one. I still got like a runner, a tiny runner.
Beautiful.
But I just wondered, is that so that trend? So now that's closed below that trend line, huh?
Yeah. So this is invalidated. So what I would say here, especially
is that valid for a sell then?
No, it's still bullish.
No.
It just means that this trend line right now is not the best. I mean, what I would say is that, especially with your entry there, it's beautiful. It's continued nicely. It hasn't hit your TP, which should be really like there, right?
Yeah.
Came back to break even. Tough shit, right? Now you got to wait a little bit longer. So yeah, I mean, this trend line is a bit erratic here now. But I mean, it depends how you use the trend lines. You know, if it closes back above here, then I think Manuel might be quite interested to take it. So because then it's holding it again. So yeah, but I think for the most part, it's closed below now. You got to wait a little bit longer for a new one.
Okay.
Yeah, that trend line down there. Can I ask? Just want to go through this again 1 second. So where did you take positions off?
Me?
Yeah.
Item position or I took most of my positions off at 66.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, was it 6? Yeah. No, 60, 65.
65.
Yes, I took that first kind of like resistance.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And then the rest of it at 66, and then obviously just push through, and I got like this tiny, minuscule, embarrassingly small position on.
So that, yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I'd say probably the first one was there to take positions off, like around that area. Second one 100% there at 66, and the next one should be at 69.
Yeah, exactly.
Beautiful. Very good, very good. I'm in at 1666. Beautiful. Stevie boy's in it. 50 minutes reflip now. 2 minutes left for the 15. Oh, what the fuck is our GJ gone? I'm just so surprised at this retracement, man. Oh my god. Dipped so much. Bloody mental. So, yeah, 50 minute, 30 minute, all that kind of good stuff is closing soon. How much is stops right now? Are these lows? Oh, pff. Nice. 67 pepperoonies for the 15. Interesting. But looking like a lot of volume, so breaks of highs and stuff can actually work. Was, you know, the past couple of months, breaks of highs at like volume time just never fucking worked. But now, the whole of last week they worked quite nicely as well, like 8 o'clock, which is good. EJ stops are better. Oh yes, indeed. Let me just mark this up because EJ looks actually quite good. Apart from the fucking gap it's got. There we go. Oh, here we go. This is when Brian's telegram gets fucking. Brum 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 brum. That's the same line. To look at the hourly. Okay, so the 15 is actually closing. Yeah, the 15 is closing above. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah. So much just stops there. Oh wow, yeah, stops are much better here. Holy shit. The left hand side, I wouldn't say is the nicest. So look at the 30 minute. Yeah, that's the support I want to be above, so I think we're already above that. Is that 500? Yeah, I think 500 level. That'd be take profit. Okay, nice. Beautiful, yeah, so 15's closed above. I quite like this EJ, to be honest with you. I might take the break at the high there. Would give you a 14 pip stop. That's actually not too bad. Fucking hell, it's much better. Very nice. So, yeah. EJ Flores, stick with the 4 hour. Let's take a look here. So, taking a look at the 4 hour before we look at this. we've got a support here, we've got a resistance here. So yeah, you're correct. Yeah, so fuck that. Hell no to the no, hell no. So if you just move this line here like that, you can see we're clearly on 4-hour res. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's 4-hour res. Don't play with a res, especially the higher time frame like that. My days. Is GJ on any 4-hour res? Nah, it's above it. Yeah. You don't liking this little wick? Man, it is just the stops. How much is the stop right now? 28 pips. I'm just thinking the break of the high. Bri, are you thinking of getting in it anytime soon on GJ?
Probably not. Let me just quickly check my chart. Give me a second. 163. That was definitely news, right? So it's quite still a bit of an imbalance to fill. So 163.771 on the left. That big candle that's got to still fill.
Yeah.
So yeah, it could still go up for sure. It's just it didn't get a closure above 163 for me. And I've obviously got a zone there at 162.865, which I think you have 162.8. Yeah, mine's 65. Yours is it's the same thing. Yeah, max it probably go. It probably would go. I'm just scared of.
Very high, very high.
163 has actually got a retest now for buy, so it's actually not bad.
Yeah, that's why I like.
Now we're in the bit of the wick rejections, right? You know what I mean? At 250.
Yeah. It's just the stops, bro.
So how much would it be if it flipped? 20 pips. It's probably gonna come down more with that news push. It's gotta come get some of that.
A 172 there. Oh, we just flipped all the way back. Let's look at something. I kind of want to tap 870, 860. That'll make the stops. Yeah, 27 pips. That's all right. The zone above's massive anyway, I suppose. It doesn't really matter. Stevie boy, did you take positions off of this? Yeah, 17. Beautiful. Yeah, that 4-hour res is not a good idea for EJ. Okay, we're pushing down over here. Yeah, I mean, I think this flip would be nice. It's a 30 pip stop, so you won't really a 30 pip gain if you do percentage risk. To be honest, or you could wait if you're thinking that you've maybe missed this move here, or you've already took the move. I would say maybe you could just wait for some support to form as well. It depends if you trust the volume or not. And right now, I think I would trust the volume. So we'll see if this reflips, but looking like stops are going to be way too big here. Hello, how are you? I'm very good. 15-minute trend line break and retest on gold. I think the move already happened. He had to be a bit more aggressive there. Stevie boy did here, and just take the buy right there with the stop loss probably there. Yeah, he would have got something out of it. Now I'm just waiting for a 30 closure above.
I took the 10 pips.
Good lad. Very nice.
I started looking at the higher time frames.
Still looks good to go up later on anyway. So GJ's tap my zone. It's just the fucking stops, bro. 34 pips.
It's nuts, eh?
Yeah. It's just percentage risk, it's okay, eh? 34 pips.
It's above the appetite, boy.
It's about the what?
It's above the appetite.
Just a little bit.
Only by 20.
Did you order that keyboard?
Yeah, boy.
Good shit. What did you get? K4?
The K6, I think it was.
Gave up on the numpad.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about that. Well, I had to ask you what it was. It clearly wasn't that important.
I don't mind the numpad either.
He fucking asked me. He was like, "What the fuck is a numpad?" I was like, "Fuck's sake."
Fuck is a numpad?
Are you serious right now?
I don't know what a fucking numpad is.
Oh my god. Oh my
That's
god.
funny. I chuckled about what he said that was.
These
Why the
flipping
fuck?
millennial-
Why the fuck would I want a number pad on my keyboard?
When you go work for the banks, boy, you're gonna be pushing blinking
Before, were you typing out the signals on your phone with the numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're slow, bro. You're a numpad. Just couple clips.
I've got a fucking numpad on this. So I think my phone's much quicker. Like, if I was fucking typing out a signal with this thing, let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Nah, it's shit.
Nah, you'll like it, man. That keyboard's fire.
Yeah, man. It's cool.
I'll show you all the buttons. There's a few buttons you need to know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's
specific
because it's
for that?
60%, isn't it? So it's
I think it's 65.
you sound like, but there's a couple of like you can fuck with the lights and the FN keys and shit.
Ah, nice. Definitely mess around with that.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, it did it on the 3. Fuck, it did as well.
Actually sleeping, boys.
The 5. Look at the 5. The 5 is a little bit sus, but the 3 is what we went through.
Hello?
Hello? Hello, Finny boy.
Mr. Goldie Cell?
The M, here.
No, 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 no.
There's a Goldie cell.
It's the same thing. The retest on the top of the 3 is
Yeah,
what you
same thing.
The
Just
same.
grab that
Oh, it's an
supply.
OB. Yeah.
It's naughty. You've been 0 drawdown basically.
Yeah.
Winning 3 pips.
Should really come back down to 1665.2.
Well, it's well underway.
The 3 minute was nice. It's mad that the 3 minutes does show something that the 5 doesn't at all. The 5 here is just a bit of a range. The 3 is perfect.
Yeah, but that's why I just said in the chat now. When you get those 4 candles like that, people obviously the first thing that comes to mind, oh, we're gonna range, right? When it's those 4 barcode candles, mate, that is gravy money. You know what I mean?
So when you
People
see,
leave
when you
that
see a
alone.
barcode, you just go, fuck it, 3 minute.
Yeah, when you see 4 candles like that, mate, if it hasn't done the retest, just wait, just be patient. Myself and Jason, I mean, we love trading a range actually.
Yeah, boy. Well, I went through them last week. Yeah, there's just so many of them, and all obvious at levels. Was this one an obvious level where it made it? Yeah, it's at res pretty much nearly here. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, it's not the best one, but it's still pretty high. Green candle done. You take on the 3, Daniel. So, yeah, that was the neckline here. This is the closure below. This is the retest. Fucking no drawdown. Oh! Bloody beautiful, mate. 5 minutes left for this GJ to close. Bearish. The 30 minutes still got... Oh, 5 minutes as well. Interesting, it's holding this level quite hard. Oh, we're going to the subscriber over here. Thank you, Dangel, for subscribing. So, GJ has tapped my level 870. I think the flip of this candle is going to be good, but 4 minutes left of this candle close. But right now, that doesn't really fucking matter because GJ will run when GJ wants to run. It's just a 40 pip stop. Wait, what? 3 minute looks like it's created support. Okay, so GJ's flipped over here. You'll have to run a 40 pip stop, so good luck. But see if we can push up. Let's look at 30. Is it broken the previous? Yeah. Oh wait, one second. 2 minutes.
Stops on GJ are huge. Fuck me.
Mate. Oh,
Even on the 3 minutes. Oh my god.
Beautiful and goldy. Oh,
did you take that gold, Manuel?
No.
Okay.
I was looking at the information on the 3 minute.
Yeah, I got it. It's fine.
you're just staring at it.
Yeah.
I didn't fucking
like a
see it.
dummy.
I'd have been balls deep in that if I saw it. Fucking
Like a
3
fucking
minutes.
dummy. Yeah.
Dude.
You know, haven't done any back tests on it, and I saw the video yesterday for like, I don't know, 6 or 7 times.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And then I slept for, I don't know, 2 hours. So I did not feel like, yes, I'm gonna take it.
Yeah. It is really good for when GJ's maybe just in a range or like or at a support or resistance and there's nothing really for breakouts. It's fucking sick.
Yeah.
I really need to back test it.
For sure. Do, do, do. So let's see if this closure. Ooh, we're gonna close bearish. Interesting. 30 minutes gonna close doji as well, maybe. Gold trend line now, but missed. That little small one. Would have worked. Still was pretty good too. Is this Goldie? Yeah, it's pushed us to 1669. The daily has no bottom wick. Very interesting, eh? Still pretty bearish.
I have a huge gap on my gold
Yeah,
on the daily.
the daily.
Yeah.
Which you'll have to fill.
I have a 15 pip gap.
Wow. 15. Look at GJ. Anyone looking for the sells? Because this is clean
Fuck
to
yeah.
162.
It'll retrace somewhat, doesn't it?
And it's holding that res.
Hopefully it doesn't do a 400 pip top wick.
The fucking top wicks are huge.
He'll probably just do none and just run.
Well, this 5 minute has, what is it? 70 pips already. So. Oh my god.
Holy. Would you,
No.
high stop loss, would you explain exact time to trade Eastern time? Wait, what? What do you mean, would you explain what time to trade? You
He's
gotta,
asking the volatility on Eastern time.
well, where's the best time to trade Eastern time?
Yeah, just look up volatility Eastern time forex market. You'll find it.
Yes, Google. Mr. Goggle. So 15's closed, engulfed the previous. The 30-minute time frame is closed bearish. Is any retest entries in the 5?
Probably come and tap 580, 600 or whatever, and then just turn and dump.
Never seen the fucking quarter point line so close together. Jesus. Just stretch the screen out a little bit.
Yeah.
Brian, your chart must be fucking Watch just look like so
Fucking
many
lines, yeah.
Yeah, but now you know why they're there, right? You know what I mean?
Fuck me.
I don't miss those M's. I don't miss those W's. I don't miss support buys. So now
So
you
what's-
guys are gonna start clicking. Why I've got these fucking lines on my chart.
What's GJ on the 5 then? Teacup?
I don't. GJ. GU.
GJ.
Just GU again.
So look at the 4 as well. Because the 30s closed bearish.
Problem is, if it slips your position in or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and then just fucking runs back up quickly and then dumps again, you get stopped.
Yeah, man, I don't trust that top wick there. It's gotta come higher. It's gotta come higher, I think.
It'll go, I reckon.
I think that.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do. Wait, should I just stick with the same strategy? Let's say 12 months, 3 months negative, 9 months positive result. Should I try to tune this strategy? I don't think I don't think you should. I don't think you should really tune the whole strategy if it works fucking 9 months out of 3. Sorry, 9 months out of 12. But just in the 3 months, maybe look at that didn't work. Look at how maybe you could get into different positions that would have made those months profitable. That's the only thing you could look for. Nice flip on GJ. Yep, didn't break the high either. Got on gold sells, very nice. I think it's interesting because this is just a retest of 162, so I don't think the sells are going to last too long, to be honest, unless it closes back below 162. Then it could be interesting. Yeah. Look at EJ retest. Oh, EJ's got a 30-minute closure back below Asian lows as well. Oh, you give me a second to react. 13 pip stop. $13 stop. The 4 hour obviously is rejection. The hourly closed on the res. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's funny how it just went so bullish for a while. It must be news then, because the retracement was quite hard. They don't find out what it was. Was it just London being London right now? It's the start of the quarter as well, I suppose. These moves in GBP pairs are crazy. Yeah. Oh yes. So Goldie now rejected the highs. Interesting, man. The 4 hour time frame is about to flip. The 4 hour looks good for rejection. See the previous 4 hour? Beautiful rejection wick. This one here also. Trust has rolled back on the 45% higher rate tax. Yes. Beautiful. It's interesting for gold because this area just really struggles to push through. So, yeah, I think if we get this daily flip, my god, these sells could be quite nice later on. And the one thing that you do on gold really is you just look on the 30-minute and you look at where the clean candles are. I'm going to refilm that gold simulation that fucking I paused. I'll do that this week. I'll do it today. But yeah, you can see realistically where do you want to be taking gold trades. Well, for me, it's there, and there. This here is gob. Okay, this here is pretty garbage as well. So I think for me, where I want to take the sells is there. There. So
We take them all in there, don't you?
Yeah, well, if there's M's and W's everywhere, I'll be fucking popping them off like lollipops. Yeah, GJ's playing now. Did anyone take that GJ trade?
Yeah.
You got
But I fucking break even.
30 stop was 20. It's not too bad.
I was wanting to write it down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. His pip size is big enough to write it down all the way to the lows, but I didn't want to do it today.
For sure.
That's fine.
Because Charles is king. Yeah, I was in York, and I was in a pub, and I was like, this pub, I recognize the name of it. I was like, it's called the Duke of York. Obviously, he's in fucking York. And I was like, who the fuck is that right now? It's fucking Prince Andrew. Oh my god. Kate was like, get the fuck out of here. York is amazing, by the way. York is a vibe. You just feel like it feels like you're in Harry Potter. There's no fucking graffiti. It's a beautiful city. Or town.
I was seeing if I could see you in York on other night. Got my lad off at train station. I was going to see if I could see you. I drove through town, so I'm going to jump out and grab you.
I did think there's a chance Warren's going to come and fucking jump me here.
Max with
I don't
shit.
find you
I went to that restaurant Nola. It was quite nice, actually. Nola. Caitlin forgot her ID, so that was fucking great. So we couldn't go out for very long.
Makes sense.
Great.
Do you still get asked for ID in that place?
Well, I don't really, especially if I've got my beard on, but Caitlin does. King Charles isn't Jimmy's best mate. It's even 8 o'clock yet. My god, this is going to be an interesting 8 o'clock. It's going to be interesting.
Gold made a very nice retest on the 15-minute OB that Ninja posted previously on
It's like
Telegram.
just. Yeah.
Yeah. Had to buy limits. One of them got activated.
One of them got activated.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Is it that distance there or this distance there?
It's the wick. It's the wick to wick. The whole
Yep.
just that whole wick to wick out. No, of that OB candle.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, there we go.
Nice. They pop up all the time now, man. It's good stuff.
So we still gonna make a trade out of you? Is that what you're saying?
Fuck off.
Fuck off.
No IT for people. Looks like they're maybe just slowing down a little bit. These couple of minutes. The 1 minute's there. Bigger than 1 minute. 13 pips. Shit. Yeah, I really don't. I don't want these golds. I don't want gold to come down any further because this is so much shit. There's all the garbage. Oh yeah, I need to do that fucking. I need to do Kyle's magic keys. Let's do that today, actually.
Now, Big Kyle.
You what?
Big Kyle Pereira.
Your boy. Kyle. Peek up for cells. Ryan, you got a question? I think
Yeah, definitely.
It's messed around though, eh? About 5 minutes. Might have messed around because of this. That might be the way it messed around. There you go. Give you 2 likes, Maxi. Enjoy. Oh, thank you, Ronnie boy. Would you look at buys down at previous res with 161 for a bounce? Or what? Would you look for a buy down at 161? You have to see when it comes to that, man. I think thinking of buys right now at 161 is probably not the best for buys. I think for me,
It needs support. That's probably what they want to buy because it's untested. So you need to supplement that thing, can just rinse down and come all the way to 161.
yeah. So all you need is support really to fall. I
Yeah.
think it's going to be at 162.
You've got the breaker block as well on each nose.
Uh-huh.
So look for buys there.
Yep. Thing is, I think it's too much volume to wait for a 15 close. You just have to take a 5.
Yeah. 15s are gonna be enough.
Yeah.
Send it, boy.
Send it by. Did you get anything out of that, Manuel? The goalie?
No. Not playing with my dogs. Not looking at the chart. I have 10 pip stops, so if it hits, it hits.
You had to ask yourself, Jason, chill. It's a good engulfing one as well. I quite liked it. But I missed kind of the brilliant finish. Then it fucked around for ages. You found anything on GU this morning, Mr. Sesh?
So what'd you say?
Have you seen anything on GU this morning?
Ah, mate. I only looked at it. I just went gold.
EU was perfect.
EU, did you say?
EU?
I mean, I'd look, mate. Let's have a look.
Oh, not EU. I thought you said GU.
Oh, GU.
Oh.
GU had a trend line and an OB, and the match perfect.
Let's see if we can find this OB.
Ooh,
Time
soup on
frame for that.
EU souped.
Yeah.
Big soup.
Big soup.
That's a
Scoop.
big soup.
Ooh, and there was a nice 5-minute closure. Wow. That was nice.
A big soup. Come on, GJ, get your ass down now. Why have you just volume just fucking disintegrated? 15 minutes left until the 8 o'clock open. Can you check 50-minute trend line on gold? I don't have one on, but should I put one over here? Is it the buy one? Is it for a sell? Yeah, I don't know where one is. For a buy, it's just this one here, but we've already kind of. I think you're looking at maybe this one here. I think that's just a res. There's no. It hasn't really held for very long. At all. Did Asian give any good moves? GG as well. What about this here? Took a sell once the 1 minute close bearish. Yeet. Stop loss above. TP1 to the support. Bosh. I like that one. How do you get that thing? I want to do this thing that everyone else is doing right now.
BOS. Just say
Yeah.
that.
Look at this man here.
Shit, bro.
It's getting there, eh?
Look at this.
Proud day. Proud day.
God damn.
He's allowed to leave home now. You know what I mean?
Fuck off. Oh, GJ's doing stuff again. It's a 5-minute nut. Just came and tapped 162, see how it reacts there, but I have a feeling it's probably going to hold the support there. So let's go to the minuscule second. Oh, found support. Bye! 100 pip stops. Yeah, that 4 hours got some big resistance there. Let's see, we've already tapped it. I wonder where Mr. Jace is this morning.
Oh, he's got an even worse work roster this month. Oh.
Really?
Well, he sent it to me. I was like, what am I looking at? He's like, oh, my name's on the list. I was like, I can see that, but what am I like? Why are you sending me a work roster? He's like, he has even less time. I'm like, oh my god. See you later, mate. See you next year.
Yeah.
After that warning, when his boss saw him trading, they nailed that kid, mate.
Yeah.
They're like, he's got a lot of free time now. We're gonna show him.
Yeah. Dude. Haven't been on stream for some time. Do you use indicators and trend lines now? No indicators, just I use one trend line. It's on gold. On Goldie. See, I'll refilm that gold I did because that was good shit. That was some good shit. Do you know what York looks like, Bri?
New York.
No, York.
Well, if I can see it on Google.
Yeah. Wait, have you watched Harry Potter or not?
Not the fuck.
What?
What the fuck? I don't have time to watch.
What the fuck? You don't watch Harry Potter?
Harry Potter. What the fuck? You ask me if I watch fucking cartoons, mate.
It's not a cartoon. What the fuck? What the fuck? Have you not watched anything?
I've watched a lot. No, I'm just kidding. I haven't watched. I don't fucking smart.
Watch Harry Potter though. Like, what the fuck?
No, not the fuck.
It's a disgrace.
I watched Daily Driven Exotics again.
Please ban Brian immediately. Unfriend him. Well, the minute's tapped 162.
I don't see the end of a movie, mate. I'm fast asleep.
Really? Yeah.
Even in the cinema, I fall asleep.
Yeah, I fall asleep in some ones I don't really care
Yeah.
about, but I get
The
into
loudest music, everything. In the cinema, I'm out, mate. I might as well just take a pillow.
I get into movies that last more than one movie. There's like 8 of them, like 7 of them. Apart from Fast and Furious, fuck that, that's boring. But yeah, quite like it.
My wife watched the new Hocus Pocus on the weekend.
The fuck is that?
Jesus.
What's Hocus
How
Pocus?
do you not know Hocus Pocus, bro?
I
Sounds
just watched Hocus Pocus as a kid.
Yeah.
Hocus
So she watched that.
Pocus.
So they've just redone the movie, actually.
Ah, okay.
Did you watch ET as a kid, Max?
E.T. Well, I mean, obviously, I'm not fucking ancient like you. I didn't watch it as a kid, but I watched it when I was older.
Fucking hell.
Jesus
What is it worth?
E.T.'s fucking old, bro.
Thanks, Max.
I was watching Toy Story and shit when I was younger, not fucking E.T. E.T.
Yeah,
looks
I
like it's
remember that.
made from the fucking 18th century.
It was.
Yo, Max, ate a bottle of water at once. There you go. A bottle of water! Well, it looks like GJ's held it. Damn. 5-minute break of the high. How big are them stops? 30 pips. That's probably the smallest stops you're going to get today. 30 pips. The 1 hour closes above 162, 150, slightly above the 1 hour on the left. It looks good for buys, yeah. I agree. Would you get angry if someone from another place joked with your accent? I couldn't give less of a fuck.
True story.
Not
Life's
mad.
too short to get angry about that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
There's bigger things to worry about.
Yeah. Thank God. I find people fascinating, like people like that who get offended by stuff like that. It's like, oh my God, what the fuck have you been living under?
You know that restaurant that you go to and they just rinse you?
Yeah, yeah.
There's some woman in there that went there and she started crying.
Really?
She started crying, but she knew what happens there.
No, I don't think she
No,
knew
some
what
of
was
them
going
take.
on.
Yes, there's loads of videos where they take their fucking grandma there, and the grandma's like, "Why are they so fucking rude?" I think it's a bit of a dick move, to be fair. I'd give my fucking nana a heart attack.
We've got kind of like a restaurant like that. Yeah, it's called the Dog's Bollocks. They treat you. They tell you to go fetch your own food, man. You like ask them, like, listen, where's the food's taking a bit long? I say, well, it's at the pass. Go fucking fetch the fucking thing.
That's good. I like that shit.
So the waiters and waitresses actually do nothing. They actually just bring your beverages. The rest you have to do everything.
Really?
Yeah.
So right, the hourly is gonna close. It's pushing B. Are you in buyers or waiting for closure above the next range? I'm just gonna wait until this, see how this hourly closes and this 15 and 30 and stuff. Yeah, because it's done the retest where I think it would have done, which is 162. Now I just need to wait for the closure. EJ looking like it's worked. Fucking took a while though.
Yeah, I took that first trade on my funded. It fucked about. I was so sweaty balls. Jumped back up to -7, closed out. So I've got 50% running at plus 10 pips now.
Nice.
Fucking funded messes with your head.
Can you call it an onion play if the 15 closes bullish on GJ? Yeah. Spot Foreman, onion play. Yep. Oh yes. Sure can. Sure can. Goldie is seeming to like 1663, 1662 right now. It's not really doing too much. I really want this flat. I keep on checking the 3-minute me, so in case you fuckers are just, in case it's writing a fucking.
It's waiting.
And I go on the 3 minutes there now. I go, oh, for fuck's sake.
So we've gone from,
Like that one
we've
like
gone
that-
from trend lines to W's.
Like that one up there is hilarious, man. I'm looking at fucking 5 minutes. I'm like, what the fuck is this? There, it's just the easiest ever.
Remember, when
ever
it's like
seen.
that, just make it
Ah.
widespread. You know what I mean? Because that's all it is. A double top, double bottom. Just make it widespread and you'll see the neckline.
Yeah,
Very simple little trick.
and that's clean as well, man. So how much would the win be there? 1 second. That's actually where you'd be taking profits first. So 19 pip with a 10 pip stop. That's not bad. Not too bad. 29 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. Ready for London Open. Start of a new month as well. Very nice. Okay, GJ. The 30 pips stop went 20 pips. Not too bad. What did you the record? Yeah, I'll put that on. Dan, that would have been a nice 50 pips. Look at that, beautiful break and retest as well. So the 30 is going to close bullish. Looks like maybe. What are you guys looking at? I think for me, I think it's only G.
No. I'm in gold buys.
There.
Very nice.
I got 2 bottom trend lines overlapping right where it tested.
How's that hourly gonna close? Yeah. It's holding that support pretty nicely. 1662.
Also, boys. Let's see what the hourly does now with the London Open.
Wait, why are you in buys, Manuel? Trend line also.
Now a retest of the 15-minute OB.
Yeah, but it's playing around there.
Yeah, it is.
It's probably loving that area.
Yeah. And I also have the ascending trend line, which it now broke on the 5 minutes, or not now, but the previous 5 minutes, but closed above, so rejected it.
I've seen that, yeah. The high time frame doesn't look too nice there, to be honest. I really want this GJ support for me. Shut the fucking stop, bro. If you don't care about the stop loss is gonna be 35. TP, yeah, it's still 70 pips to 163. 163. You won't watch ET because it'll make you cry. Nah, I'm too nerdy for shit like that. I want stuff that has like a proper story. Look at the stuff I actually it's 1 minute.
You watch Never Ending Story.
No.
That's old boy.
Old.
Bowie won it. David Bowie.
It's Flying Dog.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing
Want David Bowie, The Labyrinth?
Yeah.
I was wrong then. I knew he was in one of them.
Warren, I was eyeing up the roast things in New York. It was like a
The big Yorkshire pudding wrap.
they look fucking sexual.
Beautiful, hog roast.
Oh yeah, proper.
Queue's usually right out the door down the street.
Yeah, it was. That's why I couldn't be asked to wait for it. But they look good.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is kind of a weak closure, if I'm honest.
And this Goldman's just fucking reverse piece of shit.
That just what the fuck was that?
Just a
Well,
little,
okay,
just a little work of the
fuck,
hourly.
that just went. Yeah, but it like opened a second and just went.
Fuck that shit.
Somebody falling on the keyboard.
Yeah, but even though it's whatever's happened, look what's just opened up on 15 on gold. You know what I mean? We are bearish. We've got a new fresh OB.
Yeah.
Break and retest. closure break retest if it's not too big. We can at least get to the next support, which is daily flip.
Yeah.
If it doesn't fill immediately, which it might.
I got me 10 pips on gold.
Yeah, same.
Could have gone either way, couldn't it? Oh,
Oh,
Look at this.
old is such a fucker.
Yeah, I done
get
with
it
that.
flipped.
That's also those taken out, so ice peeled.
Yeah, mate. 8 o'clock volume. It always does that. That's why I always say, start of hourlies and gold, man. It can just rip you a new asshole before you even know. All it's doing is making the low wick. If this reflips there, I think you'll be good. But you have to re-enter on it. It's a 5.
Not just lower wick, man. Look at the low you're taking out, man.
Yes, boy.
It's gonna fucking run now. Fucking run is fucking nail.
Well, if this holds, I was not stopped by 0.3.
Holy shit.
You wish you stopped.
Manuel
Checking out
has
my
mangoes today.
Really have had your
3
mangoes.
points.
Holy.
Pray to the gods.
I know that low's taken out now.
Yeah.
That's the
Ready,
scoop.
It
finally
is.
ready.
It's a scoop. Take your buys, boy.
By now.
Literally, probably not a bad idea, you know.
I might get it on the flip, mate.
Big scoop.
Big scoopings. GJ just playing.
Yeah, GJ I don't really like, to be honest with you. It's just
Yeah,
fucking
no.
around.
I've got the alert set on those highs, but
Uh-huh.
just see if it gets down there.
Oh, get ready.
Ready.
Max has got his finger on that open trade.
Yep.
Kink.
Oh.
Shoo.
You got his shoo.
go on, Goldie.
Right, I'm gonna get into a trade if it breaks that high. Because holding that support well, and I like clean candles above, to be honest. And the actual stop. Yeah, it's only 17 pips, so even that bad. One second. If it re-breaks that low though, then hell no.
Yeah, then it's toast.
Yeah. Nice little double bottom there.
Oh.
So yeah, we've got a buy stop on the flip. Ooh.
Everyone's holding their nutsack.
Not in yet.
It's close.
Yeah, it's very close. But not close enough.
Oh, go on.
Right, so the trade now.
Fly me to the moon.
Moon, let
Wiki.
me sit on the star.
Oh, wiki.
Okay,
Hey, Brian,
stop
Brian,
us to
what are you
break
talking
even
about?
over here. TP1 just hit. Very nice. Closing
Market to make it a
80%.
banjo.
But come on, you little banjo. So I closed at 16 pips there, and then now I've got a little runner on. Well, that
That's
was
it.
very, very quick.
Very far. Well, that rejection, mate, that's the best.
Beautiful.
I may have gotten in a little early, but it's okay.
Same.
Yeah, I got in early too.
Nice one, nice one.
-5.
I was in for ages. You guys were like, "Oh, nearly." I'm like, "I'm in. I'm already in."
Yeah, to be honest with you, I got in a little bit early as well, but
Yeah,
I
of course,
knew
everyone did.
my entry was 1663.4.
Sneaky, sneaky boys.
1963. Oh, that's still late, wait.
You're
Close,
fucking
isn't
1662.1. Let's see if this
Let's
runner
get
can
this-
continue.
Just get this gold extreme buy indicator on TradingView. No, I'm kidding. I'm
I
kidding.
got 2.2.
Fuck's
No,
sake.
nothing, nothing.
I got
YouTube,
it
nothing.
very
YouTube.
early.
What indicator? What indicator? What indicator?
Mate, this was setting up for a long time.
Oh,
Yeah.
for a long time.
Long time.
Yeah, I
big-
got in very early, fam.
Let's go gold. I better close. I'm closing some at 16, 17.
Yeah, I'll take
Nice.
it.
16, 17, I'm fucking 22.
Yeah, price
one of
gets
mine-
slipped
one
a
of mine's
little
at 16.
unfunded.
There we go.
Okay, beautiful.
Now.
Coming up to 1666, which is the next level. Still look at the 5. Is any clean? Yeah, actually, this is the next support there. So, yeah, I'd say close some more for here. I'm going to close 50% of my running here now. So, close
I
50%
put
here.
50% too early.
Yeah, well, just look to the left. I mean,
Yeah,
This-
no, I closed too early.
yeah.
Yeah, I closed like 5. Oh,
I'm not closing this yet. Jesus.
I closed at 64. Like,
Oh
50%.
my god, look
And
at
just
this
remember that
nut.
double top's invalid, right? But it will
Yeah.
haggle. It will
Yeah.
haggle. You know what I
It's
mean?
gonna come and take it out. Yeah.
Stinker boy.
I'm
stinker.
aiming at least to the daily top. At least.
Tom
Yeah,
Bailey
boy.
Tom Bailey's smiling right now when he saw the soup.
did you guys see the trade that I got on gold earlier? In the-
Oh,
Yeah, I saw it in the
Yeah.
chat. Yeah.
I'm trying to get literally took TP, come all the way down, fell asleep, and then this one again.
Was that like 2 a.m. this morning?
Honestly.
Yeah, literally 2
Early,
a.m.
mate. Seeing your messages, fucking sending it like an Asian. Jesus.
So for people, I think for people in the chat, I kind of want to explain this trade as well. I think it had a lot of confluences in, but it's a little bit harder, I would say, in terms of knowing when to take the trade. The first thing, the first thing that we all like, I think, as a group, is the break of the Asian lows and the rejection from it when we come back up. So we've swooped the Asian lows, and then started to reject it. Also, we also liked how the hourly didn't have a top wick and it was making the lower wick. Realistically, what we always think about here is that if the 8 o'clock candle, which is the most, it's a very, very big volume candle, if the 8 o'clock candle wants to go down, right, if it wants to be bearish and break past the support, which is a very, very key support. Why do we know it's a key support? Well, support there, wicks there, support there, support there. It's a very, very key level. This candle should have just rinsed pretty quickly to... So, 1 second. Like this. This candle should have been there very, very quickly, right? It shouldn't have had to have made the top wicker there. It should have just easily pushed below this level and continued. It wasn't doing this, and with the confluence of the Asian sweep of the lows and the 15 closing bullish engulf in the previous before, it made it a good buy. And also, what we always talk about again and again and again, the clean zone, man. Look at above. I didn't want to take sells because this is a shit area for sells. There's so many supports. But if you take a look at the buys, look how many clean candles we got. They're clean, all in this area. So when you're trading gold, the one priority that you've got to find is taking them with clean candles to the left. And it just makes your life so much easier. Because when they run, it runs the whole way.
See what a morning. Ooh.
Wait, that was nice. It's a shame I don't have the margin for a decent lot on gold. Wait, what?
Well, you build it up. That's
Yeah,
it.
build
What's
it
your
up,
trade
man.
with
Don't.
£1?
Yeah, but even if you made trading with fucking 10p, it doesn't matter, man. Just keep on doing it. That's the whole point.
Exactly. We were all there. Some are still there. It just takes longer.
Beautiful, Krieg. Well done. Couldn't get in. No buy stops and go. Wait, what?
What? There you go.
Good shit. Good shit.
Good shit, boy.
Good shit.
Bloody runner.
Bloody runner.
Taken out.
We
That's a big rejection.
Runners are taking out today,
Yeah. How many did you cop then? You fucking baldy.
Don't you worry, boy.
Go on.
What, trades or pips?
Your GJ entry. Oh,
Wait, what GJ did you take, bye?
Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I told you. GJ's for the elite. The elite.
Bet,
What did you
I bet
take though?
Brian,
What trade setup?
bet Brian took an entry at around 971.
I got the gold on the 3 minute. I got the gold bars now. And I got the GJ short with the closure below, just with a big ASL.
Wait, the 15 closure below here.
Yeah, so the stops were big, but I sent it anyway, just because I would manage the SL if it came up.
Yeah. Well, it's 20. To use that stop there, 20 pips.
I actually just used the bigger one. I couldn't care. If it came back to 6-7 pips, I'll just close it.
Yeah, that's fair.
But actually it doesn't matter anymore. You
No,
know what I mean?
you just close. If you don't get the push, then you just get out, innit?
So it's 3.
gold. My God.
Look at that way.
Is anybody else selling the flip?
On the flip, what? Oh my.
He's got
to calm
15
down a
pips.
little bit.
Yeah, how's the rejection?
Yeah, it's a lot of rejection.
If you held your old trend line, it actually touched the old trend line.
Mhm.
Nice.
Ginger.
It's all those beverages.
It's all those cocktails, mate.
We can't say cocktails anymore. He gets upset, so now we say baby.
Oh my god, I'm still drunk, I reckon. It's actually fucked. Fuck. I tried the EJ cells as well. It was fucking around. I was sweating bowls for a while, and it came back to entry for like the 5th time, so I got out. Now it's run miles. Fuck.
Yeah.
Exact same thing, exact same.
Where did you get in?
I was going to get retest, but missed it, so I got flip, 10 pip stop.
Yes.
It's about cut half my position at -7, then got break even after 10 pips, and then it dropped nearly 30.
I was so close to closing it. I was like, you know what? I never trust the stops. I've talked to Brian about it, so I just let it go. It was like a 9 or 10 pip stop.
Yeah.
It finally came and ran like 6-7 pips. I'm like, all right, if it comes back to entry, I'm just going to jump now. And it did.
I give it that you want the push really, especially with the closure back in the zone. You want the fucking drive, man. If it's fanning around, you're like, it's painful.
I was waiting for 8 o'clock volume, but it hit me break even, then ran on it. So it is what it is. Managed risk.
You see, scalping, you don't want to have stuff around trades. You want to be.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You want to get in, you want to take your bucks, you want to fuck off. You know what I mean? Now you get into an entry and stop stuffing around. Just close the fucking thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What stop loss did you have on the gold? I think it was about. Yes, was it there? Yeah. 17. Yeah. 17. I closed it around about 15 for the first bit, and then the runner was about 24. That was a nice trade, 8.
Mate,
That's a bit of volume.
Good like half an hour that was brewing. Stop the pot was brewing. It's nice, man.
Yeah. It's holding that level hard. Holy shit.
Yeah, man. Whenever London, London is like, whenever it gets to the Asian highs or lows, something's happening.
Yeah.
Like, no matter what it is, something's happening.
For sure. For sure.
Nice little wick fill incoming, I reckon.
Yep. Hilarious how everyone went quiet right before entry. Yeah, we're focusing, man. We're all on the same page.
Wow.
Oh, I fucking called it early too. I was so close to getting in.
Well, Steve, why are you chuckling?
He's in, for
He's
sure.
yeah, he's in. Balls deep in these buys.
I think it should fill this week, and it should fill up to, I reckon, up to 1667.
And I just
point-
closed
oh,
the
even
double position on it.
16.
What buys or?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, mate.
What's that? Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you guys caught that trade, make sure you like it. Just told you where my entry was, stop loss. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Takes 2 seconds. Takes 2 seconds.
You know what I've noticed as well? Like, I feel like a lot of people in the Zoom, like, they already know the trade before you like take it, and then
Yeah.
the people on the YouTube chat that take the signals.
Yeah. I think it's just being a bit more fluid recent, like just listening to Brian, other ways to trade when things are a little bit not as easy. You just pick up things, eh?
Yeah, if you adapt it to the way you trade, I find it a lot easier.
For sure. Where the fuck is my? Oh no! Ah, there it is. There's the wick fill.
Told it for anyone who was quick enough to get it. I was too slow.
I was too much of a pussy. I saw on the 3 this candle was quite nice. Again.
It looked after how it held that.
Yeah.
After it, how we watched it hold. Oh man.
So it should come up now. Let's take a look at the hourly. It's got a little bit hourly res 1667, but should get there.
It'll get to 1668 or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, GJ hasn't really done much with the London Open, really. Not too much. It's still holding 162 though, eh? Has Putin said anything else? Yeah, I should check. Think I'm done for the day while I'm still up. Much love, fellas. See yous in the next. Big up. Oh, yes. See you later, my man. Have a good day. Have a good day. Oh, Steve.
Fucking Gordy. I've got 2 trend lines. It's just bouncing from one to the other. I've literally had 3 trades in like 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Just every trend line, you just take it.
It's nuts.
Every day could be like this.
Oh man, amazing.
Are you closing full every time?
Yeah. I got 30 pips, 20 pips, and 30 pips.
Yeah, that was a lovely start to a Monday.
It doesn't want to break the previous high, does it? Oh, wait.
It's just touched my trend line.
Oh, there you go.
W formation. Yeah, well, I did see a little bit of a W, but I just think it's the cleanest one. But
Oh,
yeah, and the
3
bottom's
minutes,
not the same. It's on the 3. I don't know. I don't think it's. What do you think about that, Mr. Bry?
Say, repeat that.
What?
Support on GJ.
No, it was people are saying W, but I think it's.
No, people
No.
must just spend some time with it. That's
Yeah.
just equal lows, equal highs. That's a range. Simple as
Yeah.
that. But also, don't spend too much time on the 5. 5 is just for entry. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Just spend some more time a little bit. But so when you spot them, but not everything's going to be a W and M. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
easy to make that mistake. Very easy to make that mistake.
I think when it's obvious, it's obvious. I mean, where's the example
for
on
sure.
was on Goldie before?
Actually, it should
Yeah.
be obvious because then it's right. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like that
Oh.
is such a beautiful-
Gold. I knew it would do it too.
So there we go.
Fuck.
1667 is a good level, and then final TP move 1669.
I'm glad I got that second entry.
Come on, bro. Give us 55 pips.
Just.
Fuck, I knew this would fill the week too. Fucking hell.
Yeah, I mean, I think the one thing.
That
yeah,
rejection
that's the-
from the.
I'm
I
so
was
proud of you
fucking
guys. You guys are
insane.
just range trading.
Your boy. Well, we had that to fucking get on the bandwagon with you, Brian. I'll beat you out. So I'd
That's
rather
it.
just get on the bandwagon.
That's it, boy.
Boot you
It's not a competition.
No,
Let's
too
just
much.
all
Get
jump
out.
on that train together. You know what I mean? It's not a competition. Let's
That's
just.
so funny. You know too much. Fucking get out.
Get out.
I'm getting off at the next bus stop, my boy. It's fucking December. I'm done.
Don't you think she just looks a bit fucking boring? Just like, this is it, mate.
Story is emerging this morning, which has huge implications for the government. And as you said,
Oh, they will not proceed. They will not proceed with the cut. That's why it's just revolt. That's why it's just reversed. Okay, that makes more sense. I thought she said they're just going with it. I'm like, well, how do you fucking hear that? Okay, so it looks like they're gonna do a U-turn. Oh, that's just so. Oh.
Yeah, that's just cost me more than my fucking profits for the last 6 months.
Yeah, but I'm just yeah, I know. Yeah, but I'm just thinking in terms of being the prime minister, you're already doing a U-turn and stuff you've just fucking said, like because you like I thought you said it was the best idea and that you know what I mean. It's like saying something that's it's just turning so easy. It's like, do you actually have an opinion or do you actually know what you're doing? You saw that. She saw the petition with 500k signatures and said, oh no.
I'm out on gold.
Beautiful.
Well done, man. That was a good call.
Tree,
Yeah.
having
I
insisted
settled for 40
yesterday
pips.
that she would stand firm, the Prime Minister and her Chancellor are expected to decide to announce that they are not proceeding with.
Do you know what? So this 45% tax rate, right? This thing. I feel people. I can see both sides, right? She wants to let people with more money spend and give it to the economy so you can grow, etc. I get that. And then the left and other people are saying that it's not good because they have more money and the people who are poor off are still struggling, and why are you giving the fucking rich people already more money? But I just think I would love to see the percentage of who actually pays the top rate. Because when you get to a certain amount of money, you just have your own company and you just pay yourself out in dividends and other ways, which is more tax efficient. You don't just fucking get shafted 45%. The only people that get shafted the 45% on the top rate is fucking surgeons who literally get their pay slip with it taken off. And
You still have the rating on dividends, Max.
You what?
You still have the same rating on dividends.
No, no, but there's loads of ways.
And when you get
but if you have your own company, you don't have to fucking pay. You just pay yourself whatever, and then you can do loads of stuff. You can buy things and write it off, and there's loads of ways to get the money without actually having to pay 45%. You know what I mean? If you're on the ball and you've got an accountant, you can always scoop it.
If you actually do the maths on it as a business, you pay your corporation tax on your dividends.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but
So
your
you pay
corporation
then you
tax
get your
corporation
profit.
tax is only 20%.
Up to a certain level,
Yeah, but then
then it goes up to, is it 27%?
yeah, but I'm saying
And then
exactly.
Your dividends is at your lower rate until you hit your higher rate.
Yeah.
So you pay through the teeth.
Yeah, but I just don't think a lot of people who pay the 45% upright, So what they're doing is they're shafting the fucking doctors and the surgeons and shit, when realistically all they're trying to target is the fucking rich billionaires, which is clearly not working. Because they all have offshore, so they have to. I mean, it's just they're just squeezing the people who actually kind of deserve it. You know, the fucking surgeons and shit. They kind of deserve the money. They get fucking their ass beat every day on call 24/7, pretty much all day, every day.
You see, the only problem with that, like, is like people do that job knowing the pay.
You what?
People like I don't know. The way I thought is like, because I've always thought like this when I was younger. Like why do you want to do a job like that you know is not going to be worth the pay? Because you need. I think when you get older, you start to realize that everything isn't about money, and people actually want to do stuff to make them feel better. So you know, you want most doctors aren't. Well, I'm pretty sure all doctors aren't there for the money, because I tell you right now, the fucking hours they do ain't fucking worth it. But they do it for satisfaction, you know. They're helping people out, you know.
Like doctors.
Yeah.
The only doctors that are seriously smiling are the ones that like specialize and stuff.
Yeah, but they're fucking 84. They've been studying for 46 billion years, and now they're finally getting paid 200 grand a year. You're like, fucking hell.
Now they can finally go buy this one.
Now they can finally save up 3 years to get a fucking Aston Martin. Like, holy shit. He's basically in the coffin the next 3 years after. So you gotta love your job to be a doctor or what. I mean, I think GPs are a little bit boring, but yeah, like specialize that you gotta be so passionate for that shit. My god. Ultimate is right. When you own tons of ways to spend your money and more tax, for sure. Exactly. I rather the low income people to have tax cuts than people already have money. Yeah, me too. Exactly.
I've always took like the biggest risks like at my age now, just because I know if I did the same things if I'm older with kids or something like that,
yeah, you can't.
Too risky.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. It's the best way to do it.
Because I don't care, like say from what, like when I'm trained from like 18, 19 to like not 20, I ain't got no one to like prove myself to anyone at this age. Most people I go either in uni or just like 20k a year or something like that. So I ain't got myself to prove if I don't make any money from trading it. But now I am, like, it was worth the risk.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it was the bad moves. Also, low income people spend more money than high income. Yeah, as a whole. Hey Max, you got a dream car? Ooh.
Yeah, an old fucking antique Aston Martin.
Ah, fuck off.
Yeah.
That's not a dream.
Fucking shitbox with the interior from 1640.
Shit. Yeah, 100%. Fucking piece of shit.
Mine's a Zonda. Pagani Zonda is the one I want.
Zonda?
Yeah.
That's another piece of shit.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not.
Who do you think you are? Lewis Hamilton or what?
I've been in a Zonda. It sounds fucking gorgeous.
Have you?
Yeah, I've been in a
What
Zonda.
about Ricardo? Yes! Come on! Finally! Where have you been all season?
Oh shit, I haven't seen it. Did he do well?
16th to 5th, baby.
Oh, what the fuck?
16th
Oh,
to 5th.
imagine that, right? Imagine he's just got used to the car and now he's gonna get fucking sacked.
Yeah,
Yeah,
who
fuck
cares?
it.
Why would he care? He just got paid 21 million to sit on his ass next year.
Yeah, exactly. I'll take it.
Wait, what's he doing next
Fucker.
year?
He's been sacked. He won't be racing.
But he still gets paid. Oh shit, because he's on contract.
They paid him out.
Contract.
right.
That other Aussie kid's a fucking snake. Dog. You don't do that to your fellow countrymen.
I saw some Instagram post or story of Great Britain playing against like a fucking team. It was like NFL. Like, when the fuck did we have a team? It had our flag. I was really confused. Perez taking the dub. Let's take a look. So, Perez. Wow. What the fuck is Verstappen?
Verstappen is shit.
I think the
Everybody not had enough or
yeah, fucking
no
hell.
such thing as enough.
Has everyone
Never
got their
settle.
greed sorted out? It's good, eh? Bubbled up.
Need more,
Fine.
Brian. Need more.
You know as well as any of us that there's never enough.
No, you gotta be happy though. You know what I mean?
I mean,
No.
just live a sorrow
How's that
life.
sound?
It's fair.
I'll be happy when I
After your
made
6 months.
$2 million in a month. Call me
Yeah,
Ted.
Teddy boy.
That motherfucker would be happy. Oh, shit week this shit month. Only made 1.5 million.
Max started the race with the wrong engine setting. You started the race with the wrong engine settings. What a fucking retard.
How do you make a mistake like that? How does your crew make a mistake like that?
There is a lot of buttons on that fucking steering wheel, to be honest.
No, but it's not as if they started yesterday.
No,
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's a bad rookie. That's embarrassing, actually, man.
Yeah. Is he pretty much won the championship now?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Gone.
Has he actually won it yet, or?
No, he hasn't, but
Okay.
he's fucking long gone.
Yeah, wow. George Russell's gonna beat Hamilton by quite a margin on 30 points. Damn.
To be fair, it's taken Hamilton a while to get going.
I know, but there's always that pressure, man. If Lewis is getting paid 30 million, he's got to fucking perform.
30, 45 million.
Yeah, something like that.
Nuts money, yeah.
Seen Lando DJing in Monaco.
Lando's a gangster, I reckon.
He needs 4 points next.
You're a
4
gangster,
points.
Finn.
Huh?
You're a gangster, boy.
You're right.
You're a fucking gangster. What the fuck is this?
They say you got wasted this weekend, Finn.
Oh, yeah.
Like properly wasted.
Yeah,
Properly.
man. What the fuck? Proper wasted.
Absolutely shit carded.
God.
And you, Max? You also get super fucking wasted this weekend, no?
He's a pussy.
No. I
I don't think he gets wasted when he's got a weekend with Caitlin.
I don't know what wasted. Nah, yeah. I went out last night.
What the fuck?
Well, no. My mate said, "Oh, do you want to go?" Because they always play this quiz night. But like these fucking
Pac-Man.
guys just drink, bro. Like they're just fucking degenerates. How many pints did I have? This is going to be like an easy night. I mean, I did go home. I got home at like 12:30 or something. I had 5 pints, 2 bottles of wine. The two bottles of wine was shared by 2 people because you won the bottle of wine for the trivia.
So the wine must be
Yeah,
worth it now, man.
slaps.
It's good actually. It's all on your phone as well. It's sick. GJ buy. I mean,
You're late on DJ bars. If you've got that break and retest trend line, that ascending trend line, you're late on the bars. Because if you look at the 1H, it's already retested it, which was the spike up.
Yeah.
So I've got a trend line, like I'll just quickly show you the other. It's like, I know it looks very angled the way I'm drawing it now, but it's on the daily, and literally, I know it's drawn a skew, but it literally taps here. So if you go to the daily chart, just flip to the daily, leave it like that. You can see it runs. Let me just set my charts, man. So you're late on those bars. I'll show you. I have had it since last week. And then I'll send the 1H. So just for that, you can show that person who asked.
yeah. Holy Jesus Lord. Okay, yeah.
And then you'll see, if you open the 1H, you'll see that you're late on the bars.
Yeah. I like the break and retest. I just didn't know where to put my stops in this zone.
Yeah. But anyway, coming from a daily, you can hold this, but you have to have a decent stop. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, fucking hell. Where's that naked HD gone now? Now it's chat 69. Chat 69. He even presses on that shit. Has anyone actually pressed on the link?
No, fuck.
Some guy on the YouTube sort of 100%.
I'm sure you have once before just to check.
I definitely haven't.
You're probably going to run that excuse now. You just want to check how the app works.
Jason's fucking balls deep on that link every time it comes on the chat. He's like, yes. Look at that, still at the top, boy. I didn't even try this last week either. Still at the top.
How much do you pay extra to stay at the top?
I pay Haaland.
How many points did you get of him?
46. It's pretty much
captain
every.
him.
Yeah, I've cut him since the start.
So how much does it cost to buy a point?
Buy any points. Look, see, you
Everyone in their grandma had Haaland in.
Yeah, 82% of people, I think it said. Like,
Yeah,
what are the
money they
18%
must
of
make.
people fucking retards doing? They've probably got Salah captain or something like, but he's washed.
Die-hard Liverpool
He's
fans.
washed. I've learned ICT.
Since I initially filmed it.
Is she
She was cool. I used to
ICT?
like her stories.
Yeah,
she
yeah.
She did it just to check it out.
Ah, I think she liked it. Look.
I was like, don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the market just because it was
She has some good,
This
she has
is
some
a-
interesting terminology. I think it was this one. She did a
how
breakdown
many
of a
times
trade.
have you most recent this high divergence
See if
with
you
the
know this.
DXY? A setup worked. We actually hit the midpoint of that fair value gap. Get
Fair
the
value
break
gap?
of market structure on this
Yeah,
level
I
here.
know all
At the
about
same
that
time,
stuff.
we're actually
FVG,
getting
mate.
SMT divergence with the DXY. You can see potential entry on the 62 level fib, and then you can have stops, you know, at this -1% here, or just above this high that is resting.
You get some sick entries in fair value gaps there.
So first
Like
target,
two
obviously
different
most
entries.
recent, sort of low, not the most high probability trade, but I guess target 2, if we just zoom out, we'll go in the 15-minute, we can see that there will be sell stops resting below this area here.
Interesting.
Might get to sell on gold soon.
If it finally fucking breaks it.
Yeah,
Hurry up.
if it goes around this area, below this support, 15-minute support, closing below an ascending trend line.
I just don't like the zone, man. I'm not gonna lie. I just don't like this. It needs to
Yeah.
pass this daily flip.
It's daily flip and weekly flip.
Yeah.
So it's going to be strong for a second, unless it could potentially just not do it. But if it's both together, who knows? Might just flip the weekly and just drive again on a Monday.
Trent's getting you nothing. Yeah, literally give me absolutely fuck all. I might actually swap them out soon. I'm sick of having stupid. Oh my god. What the fuck is this?
Is that you?
It's fucking Harry Maguire
Fucking with the
as
mop on
fucking
your head.
Trent. Oh my god. He's fucking shit, Maguire. Yeah, GJ seems to not be doing much anymore. Shit, that big push. 4 hours flipped on Gully. I haven't had any coffee today as well. I feel not too bad. A little bit tired.
I'm on the third already. So these just snapping bangers here.
I'm gonna get some green tea. I think coffee is too much for me, man. My fucking mouth feels like arsehole after.
Coffee drinkers breath stink.
What?
Did you not hear that actually, or are you taking the piss?
No,
No,
you, like, cut out.
yeah, you cut out.
Coffee stinkers breath. Coffee drinkers
Yeah.
breath stinks.
Yeah, we just gotta have to have mints, mate. Gotta have to have mints.
I have to brush my teeth straight after. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my fucking breath is just like fucking. I could like burn my.
Do you brush your tongue, Finn, in the morning?
I brush my tongue.
You have
Do you
to brush
brush
your
your
tongue
tongue?
if you eat coffee. If you have drink coffee.
Mate, I do not drink coffee.
Yeah, but I'm saying like in general, do you brush your tongue?
Yeah, it's not, yeah.
There's a
Actually
lot
a
of people,
thing.
like, I know it's a personal question, but there's a lot of people that I know. I say when I ask them that question, they say, "What do you mean brush your tongue?" I was like, "Okay, just get away from me."
It
Yeah,
helps
your
with the stick.
your
Yeah,
breath
you know
fucking
people-
stinks.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
A lot of people don't do it.
Especially if you drink coffee, man. Fuck you.
100%. You have to brush your tongue.
I put my tongue in a fucking washing machine.
Is it that long?
Start licking a fucking washing up.
Yeah.
I think Max practices there on the washing machine. I'll rim.
The washing machine code.
Oh, anyone see that
Oh,
5
Manuel.
minute?
Yeah, someone's in.
The washing
Manuel.
machine code, yeah, man.
Manuel was talking about it, so he's probably balls deep in that.
Wait, what did you
Max
say?
is rimming the washing machine.
Fucking washing machine. I've set a vow to myself, and it's just I'm only gonna trade gold when there's a fucking clean zone, and for me, there's not one here. There's one up here, but for me, it's not. Every single time, well, we'll go on the Sims obviously this week, but it's just so blatantly obvious when you actually just look for it. When does price fuck around where there's absolutely shit all clean candles nearby? Where does it run off when there's clean candles? I just don't want to play with it.
Have you guys got a beer in the UK yet called Better Beer?
No,
Fuck, I might.
Don't know.
I think so.
These Aussie guys came up with it last year. They're called the Inspired Unemployed. They've just blown up out of nowhere, and they started this beer brand. In their first 2 months, they turned over like $10 million.
Holy shit! Wait, what is it? Just the branding that's funny? Is it the advertising?
Oh,
Is it
they're
the-
just they do
Bunch of
YouTube
fuckwits.
videos.
Ah,
Yeah, they're dickheads, and they're
nice.
fucking hilarious.
Yeah,
Well,
I
look
get
it
them,
up.
man. It's a great
Look it up.
idea. I'm surprised people haven't done that before. Like, you know, fucking beers. Like, all you do is like, you know, the advertising just a bunch of fuckwits with them.
Yeah,
Just make a
they're
beer
called
called
the
Shitter
Inspired
Beer.
Unemployed. They're quality.
That's great.
That's the best. That's the best.
Have you seen them?
No, but just the way you said, like this inspired unemployed, I can imagine their stuff's flipping funny.
Oh, they're fucking weapon. They're all tradies,
Yeah.
and now they're rich as fuck.
That's sick. But they look like fucking mullets and shit. And they look, yeah.
Look at
You
him.
played
With,
the
sh-
same
with,
Aussie
with
blokes.
Shaq.
I met Shaq, yeah.
Oh, you don't know I was halfway through?
How you going? You know, I'm going out.
Bullshit, bullshit.
I don't watch any of their YouTube videos. I just watch all their Insta. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's their intro.
We're in Sydney Airport, about to head over to probably do the biggest thing we've done in our.
That's
Yeah, I
sick.
think-
I like that. I love stories like that.
They're good value.
Yeah,
The beer's actually good. It's like real low carb beer, so it doesn't blow ya.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's actually quite good.
Fucking hell, he's massive, Shaq. Look how big he is. Holy shit. You can eat you for breakfast.
Nah, it's actually mad.
Touchdown!
He made me look tiny.
How tall is he?
7'1".
7'1".
What the?
And he's
fuck?
fucking built like a big shit house as well. It's not even like he's like a skinny tall.
Look at their Insta story, man. Look at this is how I felt yesterday.
Oh.
Why is always this bitch on the thing
Yeah,
every
yeah,
time?
yeah,
It's
that's
literally
it,
the
that's
same
them.
one. Literally
Look at
fucking
this.
Georgia Steele. dying. That's great. I like that shit. It's funny.
That should be me. What I should have done.
I was speaking to Caitlin, and Caitlin was like, "Oh, I want to do some side hustles. I want to do some businesses." I go, "All right, well, yeah, you need to think about it." And she goes, "But everyone's done everything." I go, "That's what everyone says until someone doesn't." Go, "How did I not think of that? So obvious." Happens all the time.
Well, just find someone that you think you could do better.
Yeah.
Or just copy somebody else and make it better.
Yeah,
that's how it works, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like you said, them guys made a beer. Like everyone's made a beer, but they just did it better. They just marketed it better.
Yeah, for sure. Well, the 30-minute on GJ looks pretty nice, but the 15 looks disgusting. Look at the 5.
The 5 looks fucking horrendous. I've been watching it for so long.
I clicked on GJ and went straight back to gold.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You're slacking off GJ, I hear.
I'll never say it.
Okay, I see
You'll
you.
never hear me say it.
You just turned off your baby and went to your fucking side chick. Okay, I see you.
I still ate that thing. I still ate that thing like a mealy this morning.
Well, the side chick always gets better head. So.
She stays the best, mate. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be much anymore, is there? Goldie is just fucking. Goldie's just still holding that level again. Please don't say there's a fucking W and everyone just took it. No. I'm thinking, man, if I just go to the 3-minute, I'm just staring at the 5 and there's a fucking W there. I'm like, oh my god! Right on the support, it's a perfect level to get it as well.
Easy morning, man. Easy morning.
Easy morning. What's this fucking noise? Builders somewhere. The builders are building. Yeah, I think we're gonna be pretty done. I think we're pretty done now. Wait until later on. I'm actually gonna be on my computer all day. I'm sick of fucking missing trades at 10 o'clock, so I'm just gonna be sitting here jacking off, waiting for M's and W's. So I'll see you guys at 12. Thank you very much, YouTube, for coming on.
You don't spreadsheet any trades that you take off stream, mate.
Off stream, no. And I'll put that. I need to do the September spreadsheet as well. I'll do that all today. That was all admin work I gotta do today. But yeah, thank you very much for coming on, guys. See you guys at 12. Might come on at 11:30 if there's anything on. But yeah, peace out, guys.
Peace.
See you later, guys. Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. If you guys do want to join us for NY session, make sure to join. The link is there. I'll put it in now. And yeah, you know the score. The squad will be in as usual for NY. I think last month we got 13%, so I'm pretty happy with that. This month so far, I'm pretty nice, 1.4% there. So yeah, see you guys later, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow.